That was the bell. You're already late. Take a seat. Back in my day, kids showed up on time for class. Anyway, I am Mrs. Crabtree, and I am your substitute teacher today. Most kids don't like me, but I'm not sad about it. Today we will use data to determine the mode. This is important, so listen up. The mode is the value that occurs most often in a set of data. It is the most common value in the data. Today you're going to do my work for me and find the mode of my first and second period test scores. The scores for first period are represented on the line plot. A line plot is a graph that displays data using dots or the letter X above a number line, showing the frequency of each value. I don't feel optimistic, but let's look at the data. On this line plot, the numbers represent the number of questions correct, and the dots represent the students. 7 questions were answered correctly by 1 student. 8 questions were answered correctly by 1 student. 9 questions were answered correctly by 2 students. And 10 questions were answered correctly by 3 students. The value that occurred most often was 10. It occurred 3 times. The mode for this data is 10. That means 10 was the most common score. They actually do listen, I guess. Let's look at period 2. The data for period 2 is organized in a stem and leaf plot. A stem and leaf plot is a form of data where each data value is split into a stem and a leaf. Take a closer look. This column is the leaf. The leaf gives the digit in the ones place. This column is the stem. The stem is all the numbers before the ones place. In this plot there is just 1 digit, so it represents the tens. The key down here explains that if 7 is the stem and 5 is the leaf, the value is 75. Now, we need to hurry it up and find the mode. I'm sure everyone forgot, so I will tell you again. The mode is the value that occurs most often in a set of data. The values on the stem and leaf plot are 75, 76, 76, 82, 84, 90, and 92. All of the values occur only once, except for 76. It occurs twice. Since 76 occurs the most often, the mode is 76. It is the most common test score for second period. Those rascals didn't do as terrible as I predicted. After 52 years, I am still one fabulous substitute teacher, I guess. Class dismissed.